So hello everyone, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about how to add camera in your app. How to add camera in your iOS app. And camera provide a facility on a application. So in this facility solve on this class in iOS UI image picker controller. And UI image picker controller, what is a view controller that manages the system interface for taking pictures, recording movies and choosing items from the user media library. Okay, now firstly we will create an example, and firstly we will create a new Oppo camera view controller. Okay, new Oppo camera view, and this is the main storyboard and died of a UI image view, camera button, photo button and photo album button. Okay, which have 3 button and one image view. Okay, now create outlet Oppo image view picker controller, image view. This is create outlet image view picker and create outlet action camera and action library. Okay, now firstly we will create on this image Oppo picker UI image picker controller. Create a instance, create a object, and new Oppo camera picker confirm on a UI image picker controller delegate and confirm UI navigation controller delegate. Okay, and image Oppo picker UI image picker controller provide a open source type UI image source type and dot camera, photo album and gallery such as. Okay, now firstly we will create outlet on this my image view. So image Oppo picker dot delegate to self, and firstly we will create a open picker methods file private. This is a file private method function open picker, and image Oppo picker dot source type is equal to Oppo source type, and self dot present Oppo image Oppo picker. This is a UI image picker controller. Okay, and animation true. Okay, now firstly we will create a method did finish picking image picker controller. UI image picker controller is finish picking media. UI image picker controller provide a method that finish picking media. In this method, tell the delegate that the user pick it. Tell the delegate that the user pick it as a still image or movie. Pick it as still image or movie. And this method provide a image your camera image and provide a user. So now firstly we will create a save method. Save function which is requirement of UI image, and we pass on this one parameter image which is type of UI image. Let data is and that save on this user default image, save on this user default. So user default not saving this image but save on this data. So UI image convert on this data. Let data is image dot png data, and let user default create instant user default. User default is the database on a iOS. User default dot standard, this is a singleton class, and create on this database, and user default dot set value data and 4 key pick our key, and our data save on this pick key on data save, and user default dot synchronize method used to save on the data. Okay, now in this method provide a data info which is type of dictionary. UI image picker control dot info key any type value, and this is the key. This is the key. So dictionary by unwrap on this value, optional binding, optional chaining, one nil collision operator, and guard statement. So this is the not guardian but a flat one, a flat image info dictionary, and UI image picker control dot info original image. This is the key. Okay, and as typecast on this UI image on save image method. Save method is called. Save method is provided the save method requirement of UI image, and UI image is UI image pass on the, and self dot my image view. My image view, this is we can create on this instance outlet of a view controller. My image view and my image view and our image view passed, and image Oppo picker dot dismiss. Image Oppo picker UI image picker controller provide a pick dismiss done not. Okay, now firstly we will create this get pick method. So get pick method return type is UI image view image optional. This is the shown this image optional. So our firstly we will create a user default instance standard database, and if let data we instead and we use the database provide a image. If let data dot value for key, if let data is the default data value for key, our pick key provide pick key same key as convert data, and as optional converting data, and let data convert on this image provide initializer data convert into image. So let image is to the image data pass on this data and return on this way, otherwise it is optional nil it means, or by requirement of optional. Okay, now this is the view did load method, image of propagator self, and self dot my image view dot image equal to get pick method calling the get pick our image get pick. Okay, now we're gonna run this applications. In this applications, now we're gonna run this applications. Okay, now this is a camera, open on this camera, and this is the LCD. Suppose we're gonna run this camera, and this is the camera. So, okay, provide a pic. Okay, now save on the database, use photo and use photo. Okay, shown this photo, not this shown the photo on a UI. That's it. Suppose you're gonna apply on this photo album.